Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the concept of inheritance in Typescript. It's very simple. To create a new class based on existing class is called inheritance, but how we can implement it, that we are going to learn. As you know that we have a shape class here, but shape does not belong to rectangle and the circle. So we are trying to create a separate class and inherit this class here. So for that I just uncomment all these constructors because I'm going to use this. Now we have this here variable length and breadth as instance variable. Here in function also we have separate, but I'm going to use length and breadth here in the subclass. So here I'm not using this. I'm creating a new class. I say class and I say rectangle, and by using extend keyword I just use a shape like we do in Java, and we created a class like this. Now we can create constructor also here, and in constructor we may have the same variable as we have. So what I do, I say L number, then B number, and then we are going to pass these variable using super keyword to the class like this, L and B. So we have the number 2, we have these variable initialization to shape L and num B. Now I just use the get area, this get area function as per the area I need. So here also I need to create a method. So I say get area and it will return a number, and here I say return this dot L into this dot B. So we are saying that these are private variable not accessible outside of a class. So that's why I am making these variable as a public, or we can make it protected also, because protected can be used in subclass like this. We have a read only also. We save this, and now in place of shape I can use here directly rectangle, and here I can pass some value for this, and no need to pass value here, and I can remove this one also because it's the last program. So we have the rectangle as a subclass. We just extend the shape here, and we created subclass rectangle from shape, and we are using L and B, length and breadth, those we have created here in superclass shape, and we are accessing the area method, and I just need to execute it and we have the answer. If I change the value to something else and we try to execute once again, so the area is also changed. So like that way we can make inheritance. You see, it's very simple. Similarly, we can create one more class. If I say class square and I say extend from shape, again I can use constructor, and in constructor I say L, you see L number, because in constructor what we have, that in shape we have L of same size. So here I just pass super L 2 times like this, because we want to achieve the area of that. 2 times we are passing this, or I can extend this from the rectangle also if I want, because I can use this function also. So in place of rectangle, I just pass in place of shape, I just pass rectangle. So now square is a subclass of rectangle, and I'm passing L here, and then I am passing two variable in the rectangle. The rectangle passing into the shape, and we have L and B of same size. So now I can create the object of square also, and we can also pass the area. So I say const sqr equal to new square, and here I pass the value 23, and similarly I may have the area of a square equal to, and here I can pass square dot get area. Like this, area is available in rectangle. So I execute it. You see that if I pass it to 10, so 10 into 10, it should be 100. You see we have 100. So with the help of inheritance, we just use the already available variables here, and I just extend the rectangle class, and I already implemented the area of rectangle. So same I use here. I just pass L 2 times in the constructor, and then we use this area to calculate the L into L 2 times square of the length and breadth. So we have the area of a square, area of a rectangle. So it is a perfect example to understand the inheritance in TypeScript. So that's all in this video. If you learned something from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.